11 people have died and 27 are missing in the city of Beijing from this bout of heavy rain. And here I am at the new Shougang Bridge. This is an iconic place for anyone who knows Beijing because that's where the Winter Olympic Games in 2022 took place. But down there, that's the Yongding River. That is the river that's wreaked so much havoc in the past few days. You'll see the river is still higher than usual, even though it's the water level is slightly lower than Monday. Now this is the river whose flooding has took 2 lives on Monday in Mentougou district. That's the area that's on the upper reaches of Yongding River, and down the Yongding River stretches another bridge, the Xiaoqinghe Bridge, was crashed on Monday also because of the flooding. Now, because of the flooding and heavy rain, Beijing has relocated some 52,000 people at least by Monday to avoid all kinds of natural disasters. And then we've learned this morning, on Tuesday morning, 4 helicopters were sent to dispatch food and other necessities to areas that are affected, including those in Mentougou area where some are still unable to connect due to connect with their cell phone connection. And then there are also trains that are held up in the Mentougou area and couldn't move because the heavy rain and flooding. Now, we are at the tailspin of this bout of the rain, but in the past several days we have seen the heaviest rainfall and the most severe situation in at least 10 years. Now, experts, the meteorologists have been telling us at least a month's worth of rainfall was dumped in the city of Beijing in the last 3 days, and somewhere else in the Beijing, Tianjin, Hebei area, they've seen it worse. They've seen more than a year's worth of rainfall dumped on that region or that area within the last 3 days. Now, even though meteorologists say the rains are coming at its end at this hour, we're here on Tuesday noon right now, but red alert for flooding and all kinds of other cautions are still going on because this is a very serious and grave situation. 分野4天 Beijing。
Go.